I am Shakil Ahmed. You are watching for BOBST Packaging. How are you?
Hi.
Good name, sir?
My name is Khalid Jundi. I'm the business director of BOBST in the Middle East, looking after the complete product portfolio of BOBST in the Flex.
Hi, welcome to BOBST, a global company whose innovations have shaped the past, present, and future of an entire industry.
BOBST designs and manufactures the advanced machines that make most of the world's labels and packaging. This cutting-edge facility is one of many BOBST packaging centers around the world where our clients can experiment with new technologies. It's just one of the many ways that BOBST serves the packaging industry as an innovator shaping its future, a trusted partner providing you, our customers, with peace of mind earned through decades of performance, and an established leader in every packaging category. Packaging categories for so many years? Well, first and foremost, by delivering uncompromising products that come from more than 130 years of experience, knowledge, and expertise. Take this master cut machine, the gold standard for die cutting machines. BOBST began making iterations of machines like this back in the 50s.
Why we employ over 1,000 service engineers around the globe, continuously hire new talent, and train our people to develop new skills that support all four of our. In every country, in every language, we're there to provide 24/7 support.
BOBST takes to meeting the challenges of the future.
Welcome to the cloud, where BOBST Connect software helps our customers orchestrate their production. BOBST Connect is part of our vision for an intelligent future that brings connectivity, digitalization, and automation, improving customers' performance. And back in the real world, BOBST is directing its innovation to address the defining issue of our industry and our time: sustainability. We're bringing new practices and sustainable products, including recyclable, flexible packaging like this.
So we'll continue doing what we do best by building and supporting the end-to-end solutions that shape the future of our industry so that you can do what you do best by providing excellence in labels and packaging to your customers now and into the future.
Packaging, in the folding carton, corrugated board, and also in the label industry.
What about your specialty for printing? You have how many label printings and gravure printings and flexo printings? Paper printings, for BOBST printings, for lamination jobs. Which one you prefer?
I mean, the thing, I don't have any preferences, but we at BOBST, we have a huge product portfolio. For example, in CI Flexo, you can handle in our machines and also in our Gravure machines or labels machines, okay? You can handle all type of flexible substrates, BOPP, PE, okay, PVC. You can also handle paper. I mean, it's a subject of machine specifications, but we have a huge experience on handling all type of substrates.
So it's, you see, Europe and Middle East mostly shift to flexo printing, but also the gravure printing in Asia have. So which job is best for gravure or which job is best for flexo?
I mean, the thing is, I mean, if you nowadays, for example, if you check the technologies that we have on our Gravure lines, okay, we have the so-called TAPS technology. Okay, this is a highly sophisticated system in order to preset the job, and also with our smart Gravure technology. So you can also handle short runs, medium runs, and also long runs with Gravure. I mean, it's not anymore a question of should I go for Flexo or Gravure. I mean, we can do both. Yes. We are master and professional in both applications. Okay, so we don't have any preferences. But in case our customers, for example, have a specific job job, specific requirements.
You recommend?
We can make a pre-analysis with them, and depending on the output, okay, in terms of total cost of ownerships, OPEX, CAPEX. So we will recommend, okay, it's better for you to go with this technology or with this one.
This is for great. This is for great because customer don't know which one, which technology they want. You give the solutions. They want the printing for substrate. They have the business. You recommend for the flexo and gravures and doing for the label printing. So it's for good.
Exactly. So see, the thing is, we don't see ourselves anymore as only machine suppliers, but we provide solutions. Okay. For example, now we have ECG in Gravure and also in CI Flexo and in the labels. You see, and this is, let me say, one of the biggest advantage working with BOBST or having BOBST, for example, as a partner. Okay, because we provide solutions to our customers. It's not like, okay, this is the physical equipment, go take it. No, we make a pre-analysis, we make a case study with our customers, and based on it, we recommend, let me say, the best technologies that fits their requirements.
Heating systems.
I mean, we can use all the available heating system or heating sources in our machine. You can go with thermal oil, electrical heating system, gas heating system, steam. I mean, we don't have any preferences. That depends, let me say, on
customers' choice.
Exactly, but nevertheless, once we're talking about the performance of our heating system, okay, we have highly sophisticated technology, closed loop, okay, and we are recirculating, for example, the heated air in order, let me say, to reduce the consumption of the heating power. So it's a highly sophisticated one.
How much speed your machine maximum?
No, we have different machines. Okay.
Maximum.
I mean, on the CI Flexo we can go up to 800.
Yeah, you
okay,
have.
and yes, exactly. Our Master CI we can go up to 800, even by printing water-based inks on flexible films. Okay, and our Gravure we can go up to 600 meter per minute.
BOBST is for best for all substrate like breathe and PVC.
We have
papers and
exactly.
BOPP, PET, LDP is
Exactly. We have let me say special configuration for special application. If you are talking about handling thin LDPE fins for diaper backsheets, yes we have. For non-woven, yes we have. For thick papers, yes we have. So we have all the available configuration, okay, for different applications.
Your machine technology have quick registration setup.
We have highly sophisticated, also smart features in terms of presetting, let me say, your inks, and also let me say your pre-register and the impression settings.
What about the eco-friendly environment? Because Flexo and Gravure, we go for Flexo for eco-friendly environment because less electricity, less wastage, quick setup, and also for solvent reuse.
Exactly. I mean, all our machines are eco-friendly. We have heat recovery system, electrical power recovery system. We have smart solutions like smart GPS on Flexo, taps on the Gravure to reduce, let me say, the wastage and the setup of the press. We have smart inking system, okay, to reduce the amount of inks and so on.
What is your message for in Pakistan, for all our in Middle East? So why choose BOBST?
As I said, we are not just only a machine suppliers, we are also, let me say, solution providers. So we are working very closely with our customers. We have high level of quality control mechanism in our organization, and our service is one of the highest that we can find nowadays in the market.
Thank you.